Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing another Valentine nails with the glow in the dark kit I just got, and I'll be using this sequins. I've had this for a long time, but I have never used this, so I'll be using this today with the glow in the dark polygel kit. Remember the polygel kit I won from a YouTube giveaway? I'll be using these two colors from that polygel kit. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademida Bimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on my channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. Thank you. I'll be doing the lazy gel method again today. So I've applied my gel-based coat at the tip of this nail, and I'll be arranging the sequin at the tip, just where I apply the gel-based coat. After arranging the sequins in the tip, I'll cure it for 30 seconds, then bring it out and start applying the polygel. You will notice my natural nails are a little bit yellowish. This is because I applied a peel-off base coat on it, and that's because I'll be taking this set off after filming. I'll be using this orange glow in the dark from the kit. As usual, I'll be using my gel base coat from Vanalisa as my slip solution. I like the tip of this nail to be transparent, so I won't apply the orange polygel to the tip. I'll stop it midway, then I'll be using clear polygel from Rosalind at the tip so that the sequins can be transparent. Remember I did the review about the Rosalind clay that is crystal clear and you can encapsulate your glitters. That's why I'm using it at the tip. So I decided to post for 7 days straight from the 1st of February. So if you have been watching my videos from the 1st of February, that is Monday, thank you for supporting me and for watching my videos. I'll set this on my thumb, clean the sides, and I'll cure for 30 seconds. I think it's a little bit crooked, so I'll try to straighten it before curing it. On my index finger, I'll be using this green glow in the dark polygel. Because I'll be adding a little bit of sugar or glitters on it, I want the polygel at the base to match the glitters on top, so that's why I'm using green. I'd like to thank my old subscribers for always coming back to watch my content, and also my new subscribers for deciding to join this family. And to those of you that always come to this channel to watch my videos without subscribing, thank you also, I appreciate it, but kindly consider subscribing to this channel. I so much enjoy doing this lazy gel method, and when I discovered I could use a peel-off base coat so that after each filming I could remove the set, I was so happy. For my middle finger, I would like to have the green sequins at the base, then I'll add the orange glow in the dark on it. After arranging the sequins, I'll cure for 30 seconds, then bring it out from the UV lamp before I start applying the orange glow in the dark polygel. Honestly, thinking of nail ideas for lazy gel method is not an easy thing to do. I have to be racking my brain to come up with what to do and how to go about it. So I pray and hope that this combination, this orange and green combination, comes out well, because I'm not the kind of person that likes combining colors, especially bold colors like this. But I think green and orange goes together, so it should be fine. And if it's not, I'll just have to carry it like that. I've done the red Valentine nail thing before, so I decided to do another color. That was why I chose the green and the orange polygel color. A Valentine set does not have to be red, right? I'll be doing just a plain orange color on my ring finger. For my pinky, I'll be doing a mixture of the orange and the green sequins in the tip. Then I'll be using the orange polygel on it. It was a little bit difficult to arrange these sequins in the tip, as the tip was small and the sequins were a little bit chunky. If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel to become part of the family. Also, you can turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Remember that this is a glow-in-the-dark polygel, so I'll be showing you what it looks like in the dark. This is so beautiful. I notice the cuticle area are very flat, so I won't be filing the cuticle area. I'll just be shaping the nails at the tip. Remember I said I'll be adding glitters on the index finger, so this is the color of the glitters I'll be using. That's the closest color I have to the sequins. I'll be applying the glitters with my top coat. So I'll just apply the top coat on the index finger. Then I'll pour the glitters on it and cure it for 2 minutes. If you're still watching this video right now, thank you for sticking with me till this point. I appreciate your support God bless you. I'll be dusting the sides of the index finger after curing it because I don't want to get some of the glitters of the nails by brushing it now. I've cured it for 2 minutes. Now I'll be dusting the sides off. So this is what this set would look like in the dark. And this is what it will look like during the daytime. Which of these looks do you prefer? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Till next time, bye.